Watch how this dealership explains how they use a jar of homemade sauce to get customers to open up. He tells you the whole play.
If you have a sign in my office that says buy a car, get a jar, that conversation happens every single time. I mean, how could you see that? I would ask, buy a car, get a jar.
It's a great idea. Here you go, Padre. All right?
Thank you. Nice. Thank you.
Dinner on Biondi.
This is my family made it since Rome was a village.
Wow.
There's white wine in there. Everything's natural.
Thank you, sir.
Okay?
Okay.
Good health.
Thank you.
This might be the best sauce you have ever had. It's all natural. Buy a car, get a jar. Let's go. Let's
Buy a car, get a jar. There it is. There it is.
Buy a car, get a jar. Sounds fun, right? Sounds delicious. Sounds friendly. And it is, and that's the point. But listen to what he actually said. If there is a sign in my office that says buy a car, get a jar, a conversation happens every single time. I mean it. How could you see that and not ask about it? I would ask. It's a conversation starter designed to get the buyer sitting across from you to ask about the sign, which becomes a story about the family sauce recipe that goes back generations. And now you're not just sitting across from a salesperson anymore. You're sitting across from someone who feels like part of the family exchanging stories about your life. And that's the whole point of the jar. Now you're bonded. Now you're not a customer anymore. Now you're family. And family doesn't push back the way they should when it comes to pricing. Family doesn't ask the hard questions. Family doesn't say, give me your best out the door price. Family doesn't say, I'm going to check what my bank would give me for a rate. Family doesn't say, let me think about it overnight, because that would feel rude. Family doesn't do that to family. So the jar of sauce ends up costing you way more than a jar of sauce, because the price of the car, the rate, the F&I products, all of it gets softened by the rapport from a single jar of homemade sauce. You walk out feeling great holding a several $1,000 jar of pasta sauce. There's nothing wrong with a salesperson being human. And that's why when I was selling cars, I had my Broadway musical stuff up in my office to humanize myself from the rest of the car salespeople out in the world. But it is worth knowing when a nice moment is also a strategy. So you don't confuse the feeling of we're friends with I got a good deal or I got a great deal. And honestly, on the record, if you want a great jar of sauce that has nothing to do with buying a car, the Grandpa sauce from Wegmans is hands down the best jar of sauce I've ever had. Who's your favorite? Drop it in the comments below. We do what we do because we genuinely want to help consumers. Whether you're financing, leasing, paying cash for a car, you should have someone in your corner who does this every day. That's what we do. We work across the country, new, pre-owned, buying, leasing. We don't just find you the right price and hand you off to the dealership for the dealership to help coordinate everything along the way. No, we help with your trade if you have, we help if your rate, if you're financing. We ensure the money factor on a lease isn't marked up. If you're in the market, we should be your first call. yourcarhaggler.com. Please remember to like and subscribe, because nobody should buy a car alone.